Welcome to Sandra's Homespun Life. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make a quick and easy Salisbury steak meal. What I like about this Salisbury steak recipe is it's so simple and quick to put together. And I love any kind of meal that I can just throw together real quick and throw it in the oven and be done with it. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients that I'll be using. For the ingredients, you will need 2 pounds of hamburger. Now what I've went ahead and done is patted these out into patties, and nothing has been added to them. It's just the regular ground beef, and I've shaped them into patties. Also, we'll need some diced onion, some sliced mushrooms, a package of brown gravy mix, some onion soup mix, a can of cream of mushroom soup, and you'll need a soup can of water, which I've went ahead and measured out in my measuring cup, and that averages out to about 10.5 ounces of water. So the first thing we're going to do is make our mixture that's going to go over the hamburger patties. So I'm just going to scoop out this cream of mushroom soup into my bowl. Next, I'm going to add my water. My brown gravy mix. And my dry onion soup mix. And using a whisk, I'm just going to stir that up real well and get it combined real good. Okay, my mixture is combined, so I'm just going to set that to the side. And next I'll get out my baking pan that I'm going to bake my Salisbury steak in. And I'm going to place my hamburger patties down into this pan. Okay, for my next step, I'm going to place the diced onions on top of the hamburger patties. And then I'm going to add my mushrooms next. Now I'm using these brown mushrooms. If you have white, feel free to use those. And then we're going to take our mixture and pour over top of our mushroom and onion and beef patties. Now for my next step, I'm going to place a sheet of aluminum foil on top of my pan. Okay, my next step is to place this in the oven. Now my oven is already preheated to 375 degrees. And I'm going to bake this anywhere from 45 minutes to around an hour. And then I'll take it out of the oven and check it and make sure that they're cooked through. And once that I'm sure that they're cooked completely through, then they're ready to serve. My Salisbury steak is done, and I'm going to give it a try here in a minute, but I would like to add a quick note. It took closer to an hour and 15 minutes maybe for mine to get done, and I think that's because of the aluminum pan I was using. So if you have like a glass dish or a darker pan, it would probably take less time to bake the ground beef completely done in it. But I think where it was a light colored aluminum pan, that's the reason why it took a little longer. But anyway, I'm going to give this a quick try. And it smells delicious. It's delicious.